Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 741, and today's topic of lecture is tobacco alkaloids. And these tobacco alkaloids, sometimes they are also known as the alkaloids of pyridine nucleus and also the alkaloids of pyridine nucleus, piperidine and pyrrolidine nucleus, because these three type of heterocyclic nitrogenous components are the part of the alkaloidal molecule, and these tobacco alkaloids is very important from physiological point of view, because they have lot of biological importance, and mostly they are used in tobacco industries. And the very common name of this tobacco alkaloid is called nicotine. C10H14N2 is the formula, and this nicotine is lethal, is poisonous. Once more than 50 milligram dose is given to human being. But while most of the people they are smoking, and that is also called smoke alkaloid. Means once tobacco smoke is there, that contains different type of these pyridine nucleus alkaloids, and main constituent is that is nicotine. And nicotine will combine with oxygen and carbon, and different derivatives will be there. And here I have given some structures, because the alkaloids I have already discussed that they are classified, that is on the basis of these heterocyclic nucleus and side chain presence of nitrogen. And here I have given some of the structural units of these basic component. On the basis of that, the alkaloids are classified. So these are very important heterocyclic nucleus, which are responsible giving different names and classifying the alkaloids. So number one, here this structure, that is called pyrrole, and this one is called pyrrolidine, and this one is called pyridine. So these are 5-member rings. One is this is aromatic ring, this is not aromatic ring, and this one is aromatic ring. So these three, they are actually found in tobacco alkaloid, that is pyrrole, pyridine and pyrrolidine. The next one is, that is where nitrogen is the part of aliphatic heterocyclic, 6-member ring, that is called piperidine. Here two of the aromatic rings, they are condensed with nitrogen atom, heteroatom, that is called quinoline alkaloid. And then when the nitrogen is shifted to this position, iso, it is called isoquinoline. Then indole, where the nitrogen is the part of 5-member aromatic ring, it is condensed with 6-member ring and 5-member ring. And next one is that is your pyrrolidine. Here aromaticity is not there because pi electrons are not there, so they are all aliphatic carbon, that is called pyrrolidine. And this one is imidazole, where there are 2 nitrogen atoms in one 5-member ring. And the next one is which is having 2 6-member ring, and 2 nitrogens are as a heteroatom in one of the ring, and it is called quinozoline. And here there are 4 nitrogen atoms. One is the part of 2 nitrogen are the part of 6-member ring, and 2 nitrogens are the part of 5-member ring, and it is called purine. And the next one is that is cyclic, and where nitrogen is part, and that is called tropane group. So this type of nucleus, these structural chemical basic units are present in the alkaloids, and you should remember this. What I have given is especially for pharmacy and chemistry undergraduate and postgraduate students. They should you people should remember and copy down and practice these chemical units which are present in different type of alkaloids. And also during discussion I have already mentioned that these nitrogen sometimes they are part of side chain, and sometimes the same nitrogen may be as a primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine. So those structures I am also going to give so that it should be very clear. So here I have given A and B group of structures of alkaloids, and in one case the nitrogen is in side chain, and in the case of B structures the nitrogen is in the form of primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amines. So all of you should understand the nitrogen position in the alkaloidal molecules, whether it is the part of ring cycle, that is heterocyclic, that I have already given a lot of piperidine, pyridine, pyrrole, all those structures you have seen. The other condition is where nitrogen may be in the side chain, these structures are given here. And the other condition where the nitrogen may be in the form of primary, secondary or tertiary amines. So here the alkaloids where nitrogen is in side chain. So these four structures I have given as example. One is that is called steroidal alkaloid. In that ephedra alkaloid again this nitrogen is found in the side chain. This is also called phenylethylamine, that is ephedra alkaloid. So all these nitrogens they are part of side chain. And then the next one here, that is diterpene alkaloid, and in this diterpene alkaloid this is also one in the side chain, it is not a part of the ring. And then the next one is that is colchicine alkaloid. In colchicine alkaloid you have seen here that nitrogen is the part of side chain. So these are all the type of alkaloids where the nitrogen is found in the form of side chain. They are not the part of the ring or cycle. The B, the alkaloids possesses nitrogen atoms which are either primary, secondary or tertiary amines. So here number one is that is called mescaline. In the case of mescaline, this is the mescaline structure where nitrogen is in the form of primary amine, that is RNS2. And then next one is ephedrine. In the case of ephedrine, the N is in the form of secondary amine, and this is actually secondary amine, and that is R2NH. And then next one is that is atropine. In the case of atropine, the nitrogen is in the form of tertiary amine. So these structures, these alkaloids, once you see their structure, it is very clear that either they are in primary, secondary or tertiary amine form. And those structures where you can see, then you can understand that they are actually, these nitrogens are found in side chain. So the nitrogens location in alkaloid molecules, either they are part of a ring, and that ring may be aromatic. Once the ring is aromatic and nitrogen in the form of heteroatom, the part of the ring structure, and once it is aromatic, it's called pyridine ring. Once it is the structure, the part of aliphatic ring, it is called piperidine. And if the same nitrogen is in the form of side chain, that is called steroidal or diterpene alkaloids, and once they are either primary, secondary or tertiary, you can give them maybe atropine or mescaline. So the leaves of tobacco plant, that is Nicotiana lin, and it belongs to family Solanaceae, contains lot of alkaloids, and out of all these alkaloids, the most popular one is that is called nicotine, and that nicotine contains pyridine nucleus and pyrrolidine. Means one is 6-member and other one is 5-member ring, and nitrogen is the part of aromatic ring. So it is containing pyridine nucleus. So here the leaves of tobacco plant, and the name of tobacco plant is Nicotiana tabacum lin, and it belongs to family Solanaceae. It contains many alkaloids, and these alkaloids, their names and structure are given here, such as nicotine, that is C10H14N2. Next one is nicotylene, that is C10H8N2. The third one is nicotinamine. Nicotinamine is the number of carbon is 12, hydrogen 21, oxygen 6, and nitrogen 3. Then next one is nicotinamine. In the nicotinamine, the carbon is 10, hydrogen is 14, and nitrogen is 2. So here you should not be confused, because some of the number of the molecular formula or the number of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen may be same, but of course their position may differ. So in terpene as well as in alkaloid, there may be some 3-4 alkaloids. Their number of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen may be same, but only their structural arrangement will differ from each other. So the nicotinamine and nicotine, their number of carbon, hydrogen and nitrogen are same. Then the next one is nicotoine, that is carbon 8, hydrogen 11, 1 nitrogen. Then nicotidine is C10, H10 and N2. And the last one is that is anabasine. Anabasine is having 10 carbon, 14 hydrogen and 2 nitrogen. And nicotine is the best known of these alkaloids. The most popular name everybody knows, if you call tobacco alkaloid or smoke alkaloid or cigarette alkaloid, everybody will mention nicotine. So these structures are given. This minus in bracket means it is Leo form. It's nicotine, where this is pyridine nucleus and this is your pyrrolidine. So this is your nicotine structure, and this is your nicotidine structure, and this is your non-nicotine structure, and this is your anabasine, and next one is myoserine, serenine, and last one is nicotylene. So these are all nicotoine. So where nicotoine, nornicotine and nicotidine all are given here. So now nicotine, that is C10H14N2, is a tobacco alkaloid, very popular, well known. It is poisonous, and 50 milligram is enough to kill anybody, any human being. It is so poisonous. It is also having some sedative effect, and it also has some depressant effect. It is not having good smell. It is having unpleasant smell, and it is found in oily liquid form. And all those details I will be discussing in the next lecture tomorrow. Nicotine contains both the pyridine and pyrrolidine, pyridine and pyrrolidine nucleus rings, and it is colorless liquid having boiling point 246 degrees centigrade. It is less soluble in water but highly soluble in alcohol, chloroform, and methanol. So with this I will stop, and in the next lecture I am going to discuss individual alkaloids, and the first one I will be discussing, that is nicotine, its physical chemical properties. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.